Carbon emission targets. India, as we know, have stated that by 2070 we'll be net zero carbon emission country. And definitely a lot of activities needs to be achieved before that to reach that state. And a lot of efforts are being taken in creating more and more renewable energy and shifting from the fuel based to non fuel economy. Definitely, one very critical thing here is the carbon credit market, where we can trade carbon credits within the country. And that is something which has been proposed and is being introduced in the Indian context. And here, what will happen that there will be carbon intensive sectors who will be buying carbon credits from carbon saving projects, be it in agriculture or solar projects or wind projects or other projects. Wherever they are earning these carbon credits through those projects, they can sell it through the carbon trading platform or the market to these buyers, which are largely the steel industry, cement industry, or the mid-scale, large-scale manufacturing industry, which are carbon-intensive sectors and having a target to reduce their carbon emission. So overall, we see this carbon market being developed. What we have observed earlier that till date, the size of this market, we were largely exporting it, the carbon credits through the UN guidelines, and the size is somewhere around $2 billion as of now. And it is expected to rise to 100 times, which is $200 billion by 2030. So that is the size of the carbon trading market. So here we are creating a huge opportunity within India for the carbon trading market to flourish, wherein people can create carbon credits, sell it, and the companies can buy it. And also, it will help them to meet their environmental, social, corporate governance norms. So that is also there. A few things to be looked into here is how do we price these carbon credits. So one credit is equivalent to saving or releasing 1 ton of CO2 or equivalent. So how do we price that? So that will be played by market and the kind of penalty system what the government will be having. So from there we can see the pricing and how the market will drive these pricings and what kind of interventions and regulations. So these nitty-gritties are to be worked upon, but initiating this project is very important, and it is expected that Bureau of Energy Efficiency will play a critical role here to drive this entire market. And the existing PAT scheme, the Perform, Achieve and Trade scheme, will be integrated and subsumed within this carbon trading market, the platform which will come, the market which will come. So it is to be seen how things will move on this, but this looks very promising. Thank you.